FluoRender tutorial. Render view capture options. There are several options can be set when capturing a render view image. To demonstrate these options, we first load some volume channels. When multiple channels are visualized in the composite mode, their accumulated colors can become saturated. The color saturation becomes obvious, especially when the luminance and equalization settings are increased. When we capture such a visualization, there are two options that allow the output image to be edited at a later stage. The first option is Save Alpha Channel, and the second Save Float Channel. We check both options and save the image. The output image can be edited in Photoshop. We create an adjustment layer for the image exposure. The output image was saved in a floating point format. Details at where channels overlap are recovered by lowering the exposure value. Go to the image channels and Control-click the alpha channel, which was saved when we captured it. Create a layer mask based on the alpha channel. Then, create a solid color layer as the background. Put the background layer under the captured image. Double-click the color square of the background channel for options to change its color. We can customize the background very easily. If we check the property of the image, we see the DPI setting now is 72. When a higher DPI setting is desired, we need to enlarge the rendering. Say, for a publication, we need about 4 to 5 inches of image width at 600 DPI. A rough calculation indicates that we need to double the image width and height. This can be achieved by setting an enlargement factor when capturing the image. Go to FluoRender and click Capture. Check the option Enlarge Output Image. Then, set the enlargement factor to around 2. When the image is saved, FluoRender will increase its width and height by a factor of 2.2. We open the enlarged image in Photoshop. We make exposure adjustment similarly. Open the image size window and check the properties. We set the resolution to 600 and uncheck resample. We see that the image size is recalculated to around 4.5 inches, which satisfy the publication requirement 600 DPI. In conclusion, the options for image capture, including Save Alpha Channel, Save Float Channel, and Enlargement, provide flexibilities for an output image and simplify the preparations for publications.